Hi, I'm Katharina from UpVisit, the founder of the AI-powered app for B2B events. You are probably tired of your participants losing their way on your event, your exhibitors struggling to generate leads and complaining to you after the event, and your team drowning in chaos all year long, but of course, especially during the event preparation. We know that so well, and our mission is to change that with UpVisit, our app and CMS that you can explore here. And I want to guide you through, and I want you to explore here. Your event participants will navigate effortlessly, your exhibitors will generate high quality leads, and your team will save so much valuable time thanks to our AI powered automation. We are the most innovative event app out there, and our results are proven with 90% app usage at renowned clients like the startup BeWeSummit and 30% more leads at renowned clients as Messe Stuttgart during really, really amazing events like the Invest or the CMT. And their teams, they saved up to 40 hours in creating an app experience because what matters to us is their capacity. So they can really concentrate on creating an amazing event experience. We ensure that the life of your team, your exhibitors, your visitors is simple, efficient, and the app experience for you starts at 990 euros per event. Please explore this area and check out all the examples and find out how to use UpVisit for you. And let's shape the future of your event together.